So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today we will be landing some planes on a carrier. As you can see, this is a Boeing 747. So guys, let's go unpause the recording. Yes, now we will land. There is the carrier, you can see, and we will then land A380 plus the mighty Antonov AN225, and then we will take off these planes as well. Let's go. I can't do an butter landing. Reverse thrust. Oh no. Oh, yes. No, it did not. So guys, let's move on to the next plane. So guys, now I have the A380, which we will be landing onto the carrier. The first one was a bit bad. It did not stop, and this time I will do the reverse thrust fast and we will brakes. What we call them? Yes. First this one. Oh no, B. Yes. Engine on. Off. Yes, guys. It landed. We will get a point for that. It landed perfectly, but it is too short for it. So guys, this was a successful landing, but what happened was it felt, because it is not that big. Guys, we will be also doing the shortest runway that I could find in geofs. Now let's move to the last plane. So guys, here I have the Antonov AN22, and what will happen, because it is too small and the Antonov is too large for it. So let's unpause G. It has a gear landing area, but it will not. I think we will be doing this one more try if it does not land. Oh no, we are straight going down, and I think the Boeing 747 will land and not the, why is this game lagging, and not the, what we call that, this one can't fly from it. Guys, I will fix that bug and then I will show you. Guys, now the bug is fixed. It was for a few while. Oh no, we will go straight. Oh no, land. It touched. What is happening? But it touched. Guys, let's move to the smallest runway I could find in geofs. So guys, here I have the Boeing 747, and this is Mali International Airport. So guys, first we will take off and then we will land. Full throttle. Now go fast. And guys, yes, I have got rid of my first screen recorder, which was ice cream screen recorder. How weird name. One of you commented on that. What is happening with the plane? One of you commented what is guys, first I have a control. Yes, now. Oh no, the takeoff is not on the runway. This plane can take off, and I don't know that Antonov would take off or not. So guys, let's move on to the next plane. So guys, here I have the Emirates A380. So guys, let's see, will it take off? Now I will put my mouse into the center and we will wait for the aeroplane to pick up speed. Pick up, no time to waste. I don't want this video to be over 10 minutes. I think it is being over 10 minutes or not, because this screen recorder does not show the time and it does not have any watermark. Now it's time. Let's see, will it be a tail strike or not? No. Yes. The plane has been taken off successfully. The landing, I think, should be hard. Now let's go to the Antonov AN225. So guys, here I have the Antonov AN22, the biggest, that was the biggest plane in the world. It was destroyed in the Russia or Ukraine war and Ukraine war. So guys, now we will fly it. You can see how much big it is. And let's see Antonov versus Mali International Airport. Full throat. I'm nervous. What will happen? So guys, now it will fly. And let's see it will be a tail strike or not. And oh, it has, and finally Antonov won. And this airport is not that small. Now in the future, look, it is big. I thought it was too small. Next video I will try to find the smallest. It is bigger than local airport. I was wrong. I am angry. Now we will do landing at Lukla International Airport, because this airport is big enough to land some planes. So guys, here I have got the third biggest plane. You know the drill. We will land at the airport. Let's go. So guys, now I will unpause, and G, which is stands in the game, stands for gear. And if this landing will be better, you have to like this video. And if the Antonov AN22 is better, then you have to subscribe. This is the deal. And this will be better, but off the runway. And I will try to be on runway. Crosswind landing on Lukla International Airport. And no. What happened? Look, this runway is too small. The Maldives one was too big. And you can see I am too angry. I can't explain words. And now we have to move on to the next plane. Bye bye. Not you, I'm telling this plane. So guys, here I have got the Airbus A380, and time to land this big boy onto the runway. And you know, if I go to the navigation and set, it always be far away. And if I choose special approaches, if you have played geofs, then you will understand my thing. It is like this, and I don't know what Antonov will be. Oh my god, I am very good at landing, but at this time very bad. I have made a video of landing Antonov, and I don't want to waste any more time. We will do can Antonov take off from this runway, because landing is not that hard, but we can say I want to take off. And before going to the Antonov, guys, I am reaching 100 subscribers. Thank you to you all. And guys, give me some dare in the comments that I can do in geofs or TFS. I will recommend you give me in this game, and you can give any. And if you give land on Lukla Airport, I will land, and I will not do that. That one try is enough. No, guys. So guys, I don't know what is happening. I am trying like so many time. Look, restart flight. Okay, and it's bouncing off. So guys, what should I do? Look, it's stuck like this. So guys, that's it for all. So guys, if you thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Bye, and don't forget to comment which day should I do in this video. Thank you.